Right guys, no bike parking today, we're just off on an adventure on the e-bikes up over the mountain. I've been so far but I've never been all the way, so we're going up to Pontypool Folly, Pontypool Whitestone, which is the trig point, and then we'll see if we can go right across to the Blaenavon. Right guys, we're off the mountain now. We're going to try and road traverse our way home. You had a nice time, now leave it there. Alright, you girls okay?
You've got a puncture.
Have you got anything on you to fix it?
No, one of the boys are picking us up now though.
You sure?
Yeah, thank you.
Right guys, just canal ride now back home. So there's nothing really interesting to see. Hope I got a little e-bike adventure out of that then. So give the video a thumbs up. Give it a tickle on the old like button. Cheers. Catch you on the next one. Ta-ra.